Pakistan has significant deposits of chrome ore, which is primarily found in the Muslim Bagh area of Balochistan province. The country is estimated to have around 200 million tons of chrome ore reserves, making it one of the largest chrome ore producers in the world. Chrome ore is a valuable mineral used in various industries, including metallurgy, refractory, and chemical industries. The following are some of the benefits of chrome ore in Pakistan. Economic benefits. The mining and export of chrome ore contributes significantly to Pakistan's economy. The revenue generated from the export of chrome ore is a valuable source of foreign exchange for the country. Job creation. The mining of chrome ore provides employment opportunities for the local population, which helps in reducing poverty and improving the standard of living. Industrial development. Chrome ore is an essential raw material for various industries, including steel, cement, and chemical industries. The availability of chrome ore in Pakistan promotes industrial development in the country. Export potential. Pakistan's chrome ore is of high quality, which makes it in demand in the global market. The export of chrome ore contributes to Pakistan's foreign exchange reserves. Regional development. The development of the mining industry in the Muslim Bagh area of Balochistan province can lead to the overall development of the region, including infrastructure development and improved access to healthcare and education facilities. In summary, the presence of significant deposits of chrome ore in Pakistan offers several benefits to the country, including economic growth, job creation,